Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to burn ISO to DVD in Wondershare Video Converter Ultimate. Step 1. Load ISO file. Launch Wondershare Video Converter Ultimate in the Burn section. Now, click the drop down button beside Load DVD to choose Load ISO files to import your files to the program. Step 2. Choose DVD template. Click the edit icon or the template thumbnail to add background picture or music as you like. You can also click the left or right arrow to directly switch DVD template. Step 3. Adjust DVD settings. Click the drop down icon to select your desired parameters for menu type, aspect ratio, TV standard or quality. Step 4. Start burning ISO file to DVD. Now, insert your DVD disc to the computer and click the inverted triangle icon beside Burn Video 2 to choose the corresponding DVD disc. Then click Burn to initiate ISO to DVD burning. When the burning process completes, you'll find the ISO files already burned to your DVD. That was how to burn ISO to DVD in Wondershare Video Converter Ultimate. Thank you for watching.